We are recording. We are live here. Test, test, 1, 2. We are recording for Mr. Galvez's YouTube channel, Teach for Love. I'm so excited because, ladies and gentlemen, for the first time ever, we have successfully gotten about 10 or 12 kindergarten students from Mr. Galvez's kindergarten class online in Minecraft education. They are in the world with me. It's so amazing. I'm going to jump right now to our Minecraft education screen. So let's jump into that world. My computer is probably going like, why are you trying to do so much? I'm just a normal computer. I'm like using every bit of processing power from my computer to make this happen. Okay, we're in my Minecraft world. Oh, wait. Let me go back out. Look at this, guys. Look at this. That's Mr. Galvez, Joshua, Malik, Nevaeh. Look at all these names. We got Brianna. We got, I don't know who Z Espino is. I'm not sure. Michaela. We got Alan Z. Still haven't figured out who that is. Try to change your screen name and put your first initial and your last name so I know who you are. We got Logan. We got Martin. We got Matthew. We got we got so many people joining us. It's incredible. I'm so happy that you were able to join us. This is just amazing. Okay, where am I? I'm inside of somebody's face. Ah! I'm stuck inside. Okay, Mr. Galvez is going to fly in the air now. Now, we do have a little bit of a problem. We're going to have to go back to our house. If you know how to get back to our house, you can meet me upstairs at the pool, because by accident somebody broke the swimming pool. So I'm going to try to fix it. I have to go from the outside. Let's see if I can do this. Oh, somebody fixed it. Okay. It looks like somebody fixed the swimming pool, but we got some crazy things going. We got blocks and grass and stuff. Everybody's trying to learn how to use their buttons and their controls. So stuff is breaking. I knew that was a possibility, but that's okay, guys. That's okay. This is your world too, and it's okay if you break stuff. But try to practice your building outside of our house. Don't try to practice your building inside of our house because you can break stuff. All right. So the best way to do it is go far from the house. Ah, somebody broke the pool. No, somebody broke the swimming pool. We need to fix it. Quick, I'm going to switch to some glass here. I'm going to put the glass back onto the swimming pool. There. Ugh. Yeah, if you break the swimming pool, then all the water will leak out. So try not to break the swimming pool, guys, okay? Good, I fixed it. So practice building outside somewhere else. Now, if you guys see me floating up here, you can come to me and I will show you our computer lab. All right now I'm on top of where the pool is. I can see Martin, Joshua. Okay, Michaela's flying into outer space. If you guys want to follow me, I'll wait for 1 minute. I'll wait here above the pool. I'm right on top of the pool. Come and meet me here outside of the pool, guys, and I will take you to our computer lab. We built a beautiful computer lab. Okay, here I go. I'm moving slowly. Follow me. Come on. Beep, beep. This way. Follow me, little kindergarten people in Minecraft. Follow me. Come here, Mr. Martinez. All right, I'm going. I don't think people are following me, but I'm going to our computer lab. Look at our cool computer lab, guys. It's huge. I'm dropping down. This is our computer lab. Okay. We're going to go inside. I haven't built a special door yet, but we got computers here for everybody. So I'm going to put some more computers here. Let me move it a little back more. There we go. I'm putting computers for everybody. And these computers are powerful. So let me switch. Oh, let me put the seats for everybody. So we got, no, not like that. No, it needs to look the other way. Let's see. There's our seats for our computers. Good. Now I'll put some more computer stations. This is like the tower for the computer. Then I got to put the computer screen. So that's where our seats will go. Good. Some people made it to our computer lab. Good. I see you. Oopsie, wrong place. There we go. There's our computer lab. Be careful in here, guys. Don't break our computers, okay? Did I put too much space? Oh, yeah, these were closer. All right, that's all right. Let me now switch to my computer screen. There's my computer screen. So this is how I built our computers, guys. I put one of these puppies here. And then I stretched it out on one side like that. And I floated above and I started connecting more computer screens. So you see Mr. Galvez is building the computer screens here. It's like a giant long screen that all the students can share. Nice. I have to break this one. Boom. And let's go to the next computer station. There we go. Oh, somebody put a door on our computer lab. Nice. I think we need windows in our computer lab, guys. So if you guys know how to build windows, you can knock out some holes in the walls and build some windows. Let's make it a really cool. I'm so excited, guys. We have a lot of our kindergartners here joining us, so it is possible. The rest of our students who were not able to join yet, look at those cool windows that Z Espino is building. You can take those torches out. I just put those torches so we have some light, but we can definitely change that. So let's put some windows here. Just break some holes into the walls and put some windows. Nice. Looking great. I'm so excited. So I'm going to stop sharing here so I can talk to you guys for a moment. Mr. Galvez is just super excited. I'm beside myself. Now, I am a little bit sad for my students who were not able to get in yet, but we're not going to give up. We're going to keep on trying. So I knew it was going to take like maybe 2 or 3 days. Some people still have to download the software. Some people are going to have to use a different computer, maybe turn in. If you have a broken computer, you're going to have to come to school, get a better computer. I'm going to talk to our administration and see if we can do this. It's so amazing. I'm super excited. Ah! Okay, I'm going to end our stream for now, but I just want to say a shout out. Thank you for joining my YouTube channel, Teach for Love. Make sure that you click like and subscribe and share this with everybody. Super excited. Ah!